Them three words, you know, where, there. You and him there, me and him never there. You and him there, me and him. Oh, that's, what song that?
To a GWAN in the world, I know. You better you go your bed.
Welcome, beautiful people. I am Chev. If you're new to this channel, welcome to this Jamaican and extended Caribbean family. Make sure to say subscribe down below. Now for today's video, it's going to be a little bit different. We are about to translate sentences into Jamaican Patwa. Now this video was suggested by a subscriber for something a little bit different on the channel since we are in quarantine right now because of the coronavirus.
Coronavirus! I'm telling you, shit is real! Shit is getting real!
Now for a little background on me, if you're new to this channel or maybe you just don't know that much about me. I'm Jamaican, born and raised, and I lived in Toronto, Canada for about 6 years. So I'm still kind of fresh to Toronto-ish, fresh off the boat. And so I do a lot of videos where I code switch between just talking standard English and then dropping in a little patois here and there. And a lot of times you guys don't understand a thing that I am saying, especially when I do makeup tutorials in full Jamaican patois. So I just wanted to give you guys like a little lesson, a little 101 on Jamaican patois. So next time I do a video, you will understand what I'm saying. Are we all good right now? We're good? So patois was created as a way of communication between different tribes and groups of Africans that were brought to the Caribbean as slaves for them to rebel and also for them to just communicate with each other by forming a united language so that they could communicate with each other in a way that the slave masters couldn't understand what they were saying. And it was passed down from generation to generation, and that's why it is so bomb, historic, everything. And there's not only Jamaican patois, there's different variations of patois between or among all the Caribbean islands. So we don't all sound the same, or wording and phrasing and dialect in general is different. So for this video, I'm Jamaican, so I will be translating Jamaican patois. Was that good? Yeah, you see me say like, and we alone have patois. You like that, don't you? You like that? Yes. Now, 3 things that I think is like super important when noticing or talking or just Jamaicans overall, Jamaican patois, is body language, facial expression, and dramatics. So we don't say words or phrases or just speak normally. We're very expressive people. We're dramatic when we talk. We move a lot. We do a lot of extra things. We talk with a lot of passion. So I'm about to throw out some sentences and I'm going to be translating them into Jamaican patois. So I feel like the first thing I should translate is wagwan. Since I say it a lot in my videos, that is my greeting to you guys. And basically what wagwan is just hello. Wagwan, where are you with? What's happening? What is happening? That's basically what it's saying. What's happening? What's good? What's good? Hello. Wagwan. That's it. So wagwan is just a way of greeting somebody. It's a way of asking them what's happening. It's just a way of saying, yeah, what's happening right now? What's the 411? What's the T? What's the this? What's the that? So it can use as a hello. What is actually happening? Give me the T. What's the vibe right now? That's how wagwan is. So I will be forever saying wagwan. That's just like my staple greeting. That's probably every single Jamaican greeting, at least the ones that speak patois. Wagwan. One of the things that I realized is we say the word we, W-E-H, a lot. Where are you going? Where y'all go? Which part y'all go? And it can be used or interchanged between what and where. What is your name? Where name? So there you see where used for what and where. I've been looking for you. Me did I look for you, you know? Me did I look for you. We say "ino" a lot. The ending of things, it no matter. The "ino" can go anywhere. A long time I no see you, you know. Me did I look for that, you know. I am not playing with you. Me not ramp with you. You see that a while ago? You see that dramatics on my face? Like, me not ramp with you. Did y'all see the dramatics on my face? Me not ramp with you. The dramatics, the facial expression, the body language. I can circle it down. I'm not ramp with you. I'm not ramp with you. So there's different ways you can say sentences. Just like how you rearrange words and sentences in the English language in Patwa, you can just arrange it anyhow you want. But don't forget to give the dramatics with it. Don't forget to give the facial expression. And with Jamaican Patwa, there's different types of Patwa in terms of like accent, where you have town people Patwa and country people Patwa. I've been waiting for you for a very long time. You know how long I did I wait for you? And from time I saw a wait for you. I'm a fool. Could you pass that to me, please? Pass me the something there. Yo, beg you pass me the something there. What could have caused this to happen? What could have caused this for happen now? You see the hand gestures? What could have caused this for happen? But what is farming? But what could have caused this? What is farming now, Father Jesus? Why are you looking at me? Where you look for me for? Where you look for me for? When did I say that? When Madi said that? When Madi said that? You hear me say that? When Madi said that? We are not together. Him and I are not together. Me and him not there now. Me and you do there. Me and him no there. So no there means we're not dating. Dating is there. That's how Jamaicans translate the word dating. There. Me and him not there. Me and him there. Me and him not there. Me and him there.
You and him there. Me and him never there. You and him there. Me and him never there.
Oh, stop that. Let us do something together. Come here, go do something together. Let me and you do something. Give me a sentence. Why me alone? Give me a sentence. Give me a sentence there. So we see a lot of they. They can be used, as I said, for dating, and they could have just be used as an ending to a sentence. They. Pass me the something there. Give me the something there. Hold on there. Hold on a minute. Hold on there. Like that is like anything. Like literally, words are just interchangeable. Some words are just staples. You know, there, where, them three words. You know, where, there. That's all probably all you need to know, and you got it. Where, there, you know. Where, there, you know. Where, there, you know. Like that's it. That's it. You know them three. You can use them in any sentence. Use them in any sentence. You can use them in any sentence you want. You can use them in any sentence that you would like. And it makes sense. And that's all, period. Okay guys, now that is all the sentence that I have to translate for you guys today. I could make this in a series. Let me know what you feel or how you feel about videos like these where I translate Jamaican Patwa for you. So the next video could be Jamaican dialect or Jamaican greetings, responses, reactions. Let me know in the comment section down below and I could do more videos like these. And yeah, if you haven't followed me already, go ahead and subscribe down below. Make sure you like the video, okay? Share it with everybody. Share it with your auntie, your uncle, your mother, your cousin, everybody in your household, in your family, okay? Because I know everybody's at home right now. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter at Chev. And I'll see y'all in the next video. Go on, big up on yourself. Bye guys. Mwah. I don't know what to say, babe. It just dry, so I just say it's like a dry. What could have wait, let me do that again. You are name them, me and name never there. You are name them. Let us do something together. Ooh. We need something else. Give me sentences. Okay, I don't have any more sentences. I think that's it. Wait, I'm gonna fix my shirt. Y'all like my shirt? Bitches be tripping. Simba, you for real? Not done yet. I do want to mix something. Ooh, why am I look so orange? And this was just a way for them to rebel. Why am I sounding like that?